So, based on the video I watched, I will share my understandings and the works of the project called the PID and the ping pong ball balance. So, my one key takeaways from the video is that how a PID controller works in a practical system that balances a ball on a beam. So the setup uses a sensor to detect the position of the ball and a servo motor to adjust the angle of the beam so that the ball stays at the desired position or at the center. So the controller calculates the correction using a three components. One is the proportional, second is the integral, and lastly the third one is the derivative terms. So the proportional term responds to the current error. The second one, the integral term, corrects a small accumulated errors over time. And lastly, the derivative terms helps predict changes in errors to reduce the overshoot and oscillations. So through a proper tuning of these three parameters, a system can achieve a stable and accurate balance of the ball. So the video was helpful in giving me a better understanding of the subject because it explained the concept of PID control through a clear visual demonstration instead of only a theoretical explanations. So seeing how the ball reacts when the PID values are adjusted made it easier to understand how each parameter affects the system's performance. So, as a future engineer, one interesting insight I gained from this topic is that control systems rely on the proper coordination of sensors, actuators, and control algorithms to maintain stability. And I also learned that tuning a controller is an important step in designing a reliable systems. So overall, the video helped me understand how PID controllers are applied in real engineering applications such as robotics, automations, and other feedback control systems. So this is my reaction video D, and thank you.